On this vehicle, we've already gone ahead and replaced one of the faulty ignition coils. And so while we were in there doing that repair, we noticed that nothing else had been done as far as maintenance on this vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and replace the spark plugs as well as freshen up these additional ignition coils. So we're going to go ahead and install a new seal on the top of the coil here, as well as replace the spark plug boots and the coil connector. Now this coil connector is a little spring, if you will, that connects the primary side of the ignition coil to the spark plug itself. So all the high voltage gets carried through here. I'm going to take a little pick or a screwdriver to this seal and pop it off. Not too tough. And we'll gently rotate and pop off the boot and make sure that the coil connector came off with it. So we'll take our boot and our new coil connector, insert that in there, and just to ensure that it stays in place, we can take a screwdriver, or I'm actually using a nut driver without the socket on it, just to kind of press this into place and ensure that it's going to stay there rather than falling down into the hole. So now we'll take it to the coil, rotate and apply some pressure to it, ensure that it's fully seated and that our connector is still in there. Take our new seal and we're going to work our way around the coil here. And it's very important to have a good seal here. If not, any type of water might run down inside here, damaging the coil. Well, now that we've got it all freshened up, we've got a new spark plug in the hole, we can go ahead, slide this down into place, tighten up the hold down bolt, make the electrical connection, and we move on to the next coil. And we're going to work our way through all of these coils and freshen them up, do our complete tune-up today.